Hi, my name is Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! So we are going to make an origami tulip. It's very similar to paper balloons. Let's go! So color it side down, corner to corner, corner to corner. Meow.
In the alleyways, out of mind and sight, in the nooks and cracks is where I hide. No one cares about me, but I have learned to survive. A diamond in the rough. All I need your love. I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. When I'm broken down and I'm on my knees, will you be there? Meow. Will you be there? Yeah, my eyes are dark, yours would be too, if you've seen the things that I've gone through. So don't point your finger, don't put the blame on me. You shouldn't cast a stone. You have no right to throw. I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. When I'm broken down and I'm on my knees, will you be there? Will you be there? Meow. Meow. But your love could save me. I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. When I'm broken down and I'm on my knees, will you be there? I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. When I'm broken down and I'm on my knees, will you be there? Will you?
Then what we do is we are going to fold, see the parts that we just folded in, we're going to close it like a book, and then do the same with this side. We're going to close it. So it's basically like the sides have swapped. So this should be smooth and flat, and this should also be smooth and flat. Then what we're going to do is we are going to bring this corner in, kind of like this. So kind of take the side, not the closed side, but the open side. The other side is more like the open side. Take this and fold it just over halfway. So just over here, so that it looks like this. And then do the same thing with this. We're going to fold it in, but just a little bit over halfway. Like that, so that it overlaps. flip it over and do the same on this side. You can kind of match it with this line. Fold it over and just over halfway so that it overlaps. So now that we've got this, it should look a little bit like a kite. And then we have these little pockets in here. So you're going to stick one side into the pocket and push it as far as it'll go, like so. And then do the same with this side. Open up one side and put this in here to the pocket like that. And then you should have something that looks like this. And there's a little hole up here, so you can blow in it. Okay, here goes. Like that. Like this. And if you hold it here, it shouldn't pop out. And then we're going to peel back. This feels like I'm peeling a banana, but peel back these petals and you have your tulip. So here's how to make our tulip stem. We are going to fold corner to corner. Meow. 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 In the alleyways, out of mind and sight, in the nooks and cracks is where I hide. No one cares about me, but I have learned to survive. A diamond in the rough. All I need your love. I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. When I'm broken down and I'm on my knees, will you be there? Will you be there? Yeah, my eyes are dark, yours would be too. Meow. If you've seen the things that I've gone through, so don't point your finger, don't put the blame on me. You shouldn't cast a stone, you have no right to throw. I don't care how much you know until I know how much you care. And then bring this inside out a little bit. So you're going to pinch this right here. Bring it out. Pinch it. Okay. Great. And here is your tulip stem. Fits in like this. Maybe you could even, fold it out a little bit. Yay! Tulip! Tulip time! Do, 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 do.
I don't care how much you know until I know how.
I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!